Protecting your property just got easier. All American Fire Protection has expanded their comprehensive fire safety solutions across the Carolinas, now serving 25 cities throughout the Midwest and South. With over 2 decades of experience, they've established themselves as leaders in fire protection services. Their expert team specializes in fire alarm system installation, offering both conventional and addressable systems that seamlessly integrate with existing building infrastructure. Every installation is backed by round-the-clock monitoring services and regular maintenance to ensure your property stays protected year-round. What sets them apart? Their unique service trade program provides real-time updates and video documentation of all inspections. Plus, they offer free initial safety surveys with guaranteed 24-hour response times, ensuring you get quick, professional assessments of your property's needs. From sophisticated fire alarm control panels to advanced detection devices, their comprehensive protection solutions exceed industry standards. When it comes to fire safety, there's no room for compromise. Ready to enhance your property's protection? Contact All American Fire Protection or visit their website to schedule your free safety survey today.